Hi there, I've made a couple of parts for the Yeethammer by now, so I'll be putting them into my printables, which will be down in the description. So let's go over the parts. First of all, we have our little spring spacer here, because my spring was just a tad too short. The way you install this is you basically take off the back, then you put the little spacer on top of the plunger rod and then just shove it all back together. And you should check if it's still primed. So if it doesn't prime, you can just scale it down in the Z-axis a little bit. So that should fit then. Second, as you may have already seen, I've got this sight. It's just an iron sight functionally, but I've tried to style it similar to the already existing parts. The way you install all this is these are clipped on with these little clipsies, and then you hold it on with that pin. Right, next we have a sniper shell, but this one is made for 15mm outer diameter barrel. This is of course a remix from an existing Sillybutt shell, so the shell itself is not really mine, but I just cut in a little hole for the 15mm barrel, which then makes it compatible with my V-car. So still works as normal, that fits through there just fine. If you want to take it out and it doesn't fully eject because the B-car gets in the way, so you can reload fairly easily, but it still goes out just fine. And lastly, we have these things. So these are holders for silly shells with a little clip on there, so you can put them on, I would put them on my belt, but you can't see the belt, but that holds fine. You can't pull it out this way. That is because there are little retentions there that the ejection groove there grabs into, so you can just clip them in and out, but they're not gonna fall out by themselves. So you can clip that into your molly vest or onto the belt, wherever you want. And they're really easy to remove like that. So that makes reloading really easy. So I hope you enjoy these parts. I'll be putting them on my printables. Goodbye.